Hello everyone. Hi, this is Weltha. Okay, so I'm gonna meal prep for my week. Okay, for my work week. So just gonna meal prep right now. Okay, so I'm working 3 12 hours this week. So 3 coffees. Gotta have my fresh fruit. I love those. And then I'm gonna have some bananas. 3 bananas. All right, and then for my snack, you guys, I'm gonna have these beer nuts. Okay, 3 of those. Okay, and then if I want something sweet and tangy, you guys, I'm gonna have this chili mango. That look good, huh? Okay, so I have 3 of those. Okay, so that's for the snacks and the fruit. And then I have my 3 waters, which I'm gonna drink more water than this, but you get it. So like 3 of those, okay? So that's what I have so far, okay? Now to the main course, and let me show you guys what I'm gonna have for my main course for my lunch, okay? Hold on. Okay. Gotta do a spinner. So those are the snacks and the water and the fruit, okay? That's for 3 days, okay? All right, so now to the main course. Okay, you guys, and for the main course, for my lunch, I'm gonna have barbecue chicken and broccoli. So this is what I'm having for lunch, okay? I just took it out of the oven, just finished cooking everything. So now I'm gonna meal prep and put them in the containers, okay? Who else meals preps? Do you guys meal prep for your work week? Who else does this? Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do is, let's put, oh girl, let me make some room. Hold on. I'll do my spinner, hold on. You know I gotta do it. So that's my barbecue chicken. Don't that look good? It smells good too. Let's see. I can pick it up with this one hand. I can't use my left arm, but my right arm is strong. My left arm still hurt, but we'll get there. Okay, that's the barbecue chicken. Okay, and then I'm gonna have some broccoli. Delicious broccoli. Okay, that's my broccoli. Okay, now let's make these meals, you guys. Let's make the meals. You guys gonna make the meals with me? Okay, so let's start. Let me put this to the side. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. All right. I don't really like the skin on the chicken, so I'm glad it came off. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. 3 days, but I'm gonna have a high protein, so I'm gonna put 2 pieces of meat in each one. You know I'm all about the high protein. High protein diet I love. Okay, put another one in there, and another one over here. Okay, all right. Okay, so let me get a spoon and let me add my, oops, I dropped it. Let me get another one. Hold on, guys. Okay, so now I'm gonna get my broccoli. Okay. So I just steamed this broccoli, you guys. Just added a little salt and steamed it. Okay, and my chicken is barbecue. Barbecue chicken this week. Okay, and that's it. This is my lunch for the week, you guys. And I'm all prepared for my work week. You guys want to be okay, that's that one, 2 and 3. Okay. Okay. Oops. Hold on. So, I forgot. Meal. This is my meal prep for the week. Barbecue chicken and broccoli. Okay. We have 1. Hold on. Let's move this up a little higher. 2, 3. Okay. Meal prep. All done. Meal prep all done.